Habit number 1, talking too much. People who never stop talking about themselves don't come off as confident. They come off as insecure. The more you talk, the less people listen. When you stay quiet and only speak when it matters, your words carry more power. Habits number 2, breaking promises. Every time you say, "I got you," and then you don't deliver, your word loses value. If people can't rely on what you say, they stop taking you seriously. So make fewer promises and keep every single one you make. Habit number 3, constant complaining. We all know that one person who finds something wrong with everything. Here's the truth. Nobody respects a chronic complainer. Life's hard for everyone, but strong people handle it without whining. You earn respect when you face your problems with calm and courage. Habit number 4, chasing approval. If you're always trying to get everyone to like you, you'll lose yourself in the process. Respect doesn't come from being liked. It comes from standing for something. So stop asking, "Do they like me?" Start asking, "Do I like the person I'm becoming?" Habit number 5, disrespecting others. You can't expect people to respect you if you look down on them. The way you treat waiters, janitors, cashiers, that says everything about your character. Confidence is quiet. Arrogance is loud. Be firm but stay kind. That's what earns real respect. Habit number 6, losing control of your emotions. Yelling, overreacting, letting anger take over. That doesn't make you strong. It makes you unstable. Real power is staying calm when everything around you isn't. Because when you control your emotions, you control the outcome. Habit number 7, inconsistency. One day you're all in, the next day you disappear. One day you're honest, the next day you're fake. Nobody can respect what they can't rely on. Consistency builds trust, and trust builds respect.